Hey, what's up? This is BFOT, and I'm going to show you guys a cool Zippo lighter trick. This is what we're working with. Let's have some fun. First things first, you got to get some prep work done. Pull it out of your Zippo, out of your lighter. So it's just this part. And I know you're supposed to lift this up back here and pour the fluid down in there. But you're going to keep this closed and just pour it on top, let it soak in evenly, alright? Take some fluid, and I'm just going to pour some in there. Okay, so after you pour the fluid on, stick it back in, close it, shake it twice, should be good to go. Okay, so what you do is basically open it, and then just take your finger, Human Torch. Oh, I think it's kind of fun. Kids, don't ever show your moms that I did this. But yeah, finger, Human Torch. I basically have superpowers. That's why I'm able to do this so well. But for the rest of you, well, happy Merry Christmas. Want to see one more time?